So welcome back, it's auction time again. Let me just mute Mr. VCA before he gets really cross with me. So we've had an inquiry from a previous customer. We've had an inquiry from Heart Taxis. Heart Taxis are based in Hampshire and Surrey, and they've already bought an ID.4 off us back in October, and they want another. So check out their website. They're slowly converting their fleet to electric vehicles, which is great. So as you can see here on their website, they've got MG5, Leaf, and soon they'll have 2 ID.4s. So the contact at Heart Taxis has been in touch, Roy, and he also got in touch with me via LinkedIn as well. So Roy has asked us to buy this particular ID.4 that he has found on British Car Auction's website. So let's just run through the basics. So brand new, this was £45,980. It's a 23 plate, registered the 30th of June 2023. So this ID.4 is not yet a year old. So still under warranty, and it's a grade 1 car as well, just showing a few stone chips. So as with all the IDs from Volkswagen, they don't have the simplest of names. This is the ID.4 Life Pro Performance 77 kWh. In the grey, which I think looks rather nice. So like I said, there's just a few stone chips to the front, and it's a grade 1 car. Now if you want to know what those grades mean, click the link above my head now, where my last video highlighted, or rather explained, what grades 1 to 5 and ungradable actually mean. But basically it's just got a few chips to the front edge of the car, front bonnet. It's done just 9,000 miles, and as you can see from the report, it doesn't have a 3-pin plug charge cable, a granny lead. Now all Volkswagens didn't come with a 3-pin plug. The later ID models didn't. I think the Volkswagen e-up came with a 3-pin plug and a Type 2. But anyway, I think most of the ID range do not come with a granny cable, just the Type 2. So that's in the description, and also we can see that in the shot of the boot open as well. So let's cut to the chase. So this is cap clean, that is computerized aided pricing clean. It's 27,350, and the cap average price is £26,050. So I expect it to be around 26 and 27,350. Our customer has got a nice big reserve bid with us for me to go to a maximum of 28,500. So a good £1,200 overbook, because he wants to buy it to add to his fleet. He's also going to collect it as well, and it's also VAT qualifying, which is good news for businesses. It's up to him and his accountants to whether he claims that VAT. So why has he not gone to a main dealer? Well, I had a quick look on the internet this morning for the same car, same trim, same colour, same miles, same age, same reg. And this Volkswagen main dealer had got it up for £36,499. So 36.5 grand or 28.5 grand, you know, so he's got an £8,000 saving if we are successful today. Less of me waffling, let's see if I manage to buy it, because it's the next vehicle coming up. So here we go. I've tried to start it low, and I'm going to go to 28.5. Still with me. Oh, I'd have been a 24.5 proxy. Excellent. I think we've bought that. Let's just cancel it. Look at my purchases. There we go. We've bought it. £23,400. What a result. So there we go, what a result. I was really surprised. £23,400 and it's ours and it's VAT qualifying. There's £3,900 VAT. The taxi company may well be able to claim that back if it's just for pure business use. That's £19,500 plus VAT for that under 1 year old ID.4 with 9,000 miles on the clock. As opposed to going to a dealer who was asking, what was it, £36,499. So £36,500, it may have been VAT qualifying, or £23,500. So come on, £13,000 saving. Something to be said for buying to order. Thanks for watching and see you next time. So what are the extra fees on top of a hammer price of an EV that we'll buy to order for you? Well, look at this example of a £10,000 electric vehicle. Depending which auction house we bought from, these are the fees as of December 2023 with BCA, Aston Barclay and Shoreham based on a £10,000 hammer price. The other fees are our search fee. We charge £100 plus VAT, and then we will source a EV that suits your requirements and what you've asked for, and then if we're successful in bidding and buying a vehicle for you, these are the fees we charge on top. So on a £10,000 car from Aston Barclay, there's the fees plus our fee. The total would be £10,726, and this can be explained for any of the auction houses to you when you call. The other extras is of course transport. We buy all over the country and we have customers all over the country, and we'll also tax and register the car with DVLA for you as well. Many of our good friends have used our service, and so you can either collect yourself or ask us to arrange transportation.